Now, Wayne County battling budget cuts. It appears the gloves are coming off between the prosecutor and the county executive.
We have Team 7 coverage for you, beginning with 7 Action News reporter Anu Prakash on what Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy is saying about the future of the county.
I am not overstating when I say I don't know how this office will operate if it's the worst case scenario.
That's Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy talking about the state of her office. Now that layoffs have kicked in, she's down 22 attorneys.
We simply cannot cover the traffic docket. We cannot cover the PPO docket in circuit court. This was the first day today that we haven't covered that. I let Judge McCarthy know that yesterday. We cannot cover the misdemeanors dockets in 36th District Court. Covering the misdemeanor domestic violence docket is a day-to-day call. These are cases that can be very dangerous, so we're trying our best to get someone over there every day.
Worthy says her office will do the best it can and will reissue in every case that has been dismissed. But on top of those challenges, she says there are backups on issuing warrants in a number of serious cases, 40 in homicide, 130 in child abuse, and 66 in sexual assault.
So every day is a day of a game of triage, where we're trying to figure out which ones seem to be the most dangerous of people and try to get them issued first. We do not have prosecutors in all our circuit court courtrooms, and pretty soon we're going to be forced with having to choose which cases we can prosecute at all.
Worthy has been in a budget battle with Wayne County Executive Robert Facano. At her news conference today, there was a TV screen with looping headlines involving Facano and others who've made the news. She says the county isn't appropriating its money properly.
It's related to the culture of the way the office is managed. And we contrast the way this office has been managed and the way that office has been managed, then you do the math.
Worthy says she hasn't received the funding promised to her office. She has filed a lawsuit over the budget, but it is still pending.
This is not a game or a feud or something that we do because we're trying to get some measure of power somewhere. It's just not like that. This is reality.
In Detroit, Anu Prakash, 7 Action News.
Okay, Anu, thank you. As Kim Worthy said, one place sure to feel those cuts, the courtroom.
Yeah, our coverage continues with Ronnie DAHL. Ronnie, will the cuts slow down the wheels of justice? Certainly seems so.
Well, that is the big concern. I did have the chance today to talk with several judges and court administrators throughout Wayne County, and they tell me these layoffs will pretty much impact every single courthouse in Wayne County. Some people will have their tickets dismissed. Other people will have to deal with their cases being adjourned, and it will be up to the judges to deal with the backlog of cases.
No prosecutor was in there.
Demetria Wheeler making her second trip to 36th District Court after getting caught driving on a suspended license. She hoped to get things taken care of today, but no such luck. When no Wayne County prosecutor showed up, she was told, come back again.
They just adjourned it and gave me another pretrial date.
A shortage of prosecutors is expected to be felt at courthouses throughout Wayne County, but because the 36th District Court is the largest, it will be impacted the most. Without prosecutors in the courtrooms, some cases will be dismissed and the backlog will pile up. The chief judge is caught in the middle.
We can't operate like this. This is not... I've never seen anything like this in my life.
So you wouldn't be too upset if the prosecutor didn't show up again?
No. I will be clapping and joy and praising God at the same time.
Of course, she would only like that if her case were to be dismissed. She was told to come back in May 10th, so she has to go through the inconvenience of taking another day off work to come back down here to the courthouse to try to get her license reinstated. But let's take a minute and look at this from the money side of things. Each ticket that is dismissed, that's $1. This court is not getting revenue that they need. Right now, the 36th District Court is short, looking at a deficit of about $279 million. We're live in downtown Detroit. Ronnie DAHL, 7 Action News.
And Ronnie, beyond the money, let's talk about the danger that a violent criminal will not be tried, possibly even released. Is that a possibility?
It is a possibility. I mean, in some cases, we even see that now because there is such a backlog of cases. Of course, the judges will try to look at the most serious cases to try to make sure that doesn't happen. But sadly, it is a possibility, Jeff.
Okay, Ronnie downtown tonight. Thank you very much, Ronnie. Coming up tonight.